Step 1. Using a pencil, mark where you'll be placing your brackets on your window frame. Use the holes in the brackets as a guide for where to draw your markers. Step 2. Drill pilot holes into each bracket at the corners of the window frame. The pilot holes are used as a guide for where the screws will be fixed. Step 3. Using the pilot holes as a guide, screw your brackets into the window frame. Step 4. With the bracket successfully secured, locate the pin into its respective bracket. Then slide the control end into its bracket, clicking it into place. And there you have it. You have successfully installed your brand new roller blinds. If your blinds don't have a motor, please refer to the How to Install Double Roller Blinds video for an easy guide to fixing a limiter and child safety hook.